Hey guys, Muredi again here from Skype, and today we have a machine for you, and today we are going to unbox this, showcase it and show you how it works. So guys, let's unbox this. So the first thing you get is a hose pipe over here, high pressure hose pipe. The second thing you get is a machine here. You get this particular part. This is a sieve that is used to filter chemicals. You get these two hoses. One is a suction pipe and the other one is a return pipe. And then you get these two spray guns. It comes with two spray guns. You get these two spray guns. And not to forget, you get the user manual over here. And then you get this set over here that is used to assemble the machine. So let's talk performance, guys. So this is a 25cc engine producing about 0.9 HP of power, and the pressure is up to 2.5 megapascals. So that's about 362 psi thereabout, and the flow rate is 8 to 10 liters per minute. And here is where you have to be very, very careful, because you waste maybe your chemicals when spraying. Since it's spraying very, very fast, you have to be careful. The rotation speed is 1800 revolution per minute, and the box, the packaging is only 34 by 34 by 33 centimeters, so it makes it very, very portable. So guys, before you start this particular machine, it's always good to know what to do and what not to do. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to do the oil. So this is a 4-stroke machine. We've done a few videos about 4-stroke and 2-stroke machines. So since this is a 4-stroke, it has a separate place to do the oil and the gasoline over here. So you're supposed to add oil here and also add petrol over here. And not to forget that this pump is actually two parts of it. So this is the engine part, and this is a pressure head pump, is a pressure head side. So you do oil and gasoline on this side, but you also do the oil on this side. So this particular pressure head is supposed to be having some oil, and this car window gives you, you can be able to see the oil that is in the pressure head. And in this case, as you can see there, it has some oil. So we won't be doing that. We just be oiling this other part. So let me do that. So guys, we've connected the inlet pipe. This is the one, and now this is the return pipe. So this is the return pipe, also going to the same part over there, and then the next part is connecting the hose pipe over here. So stay tuned. So guys, after filling in the oil, after you've done the oil over there, the petrol, and checking if this particular pump has fuel in it, the only thing left is to start it. So guys, like that. After that, this is a throttle. You can increase or decrease, and this is a gun, so you can open and reduce the gun. So you can increase the throttle like that, and the sprayer will start spraying. The sprayer, you can turn it. If you want to spray something maybe that is so high, you can always turn it to be able to spray in a different pattern. As you can see right now, it's spraying in a different pattern, and you can also change the pattern into a more misty kind of a pattern like this. So basically that's how you operate. Start, draws water from that point, and you can increase the throttle speed on that side, and then the pressure side, you can always increase the pressure like that. So basically that's how easy to start and use this particular machine. And we always like to give you some tips on how to maintain your machine. And one of the best tips, when you finish using the machine, always clean. Let clean water run through the system for about maybe 20 seconds. That will clear out all the chemicals that were in the pipes and in both pipes, this hose pipe and the inlet pipes, and clean it all out. Something else that you should remember to do, running this machine for exactly 4 hours straight, always come and open these particular grease pumps, grease caps. These are called grease caps, and fill them with grease. This is grease. So always after every 4 hours of straight running, kindly come and open and fill in the two. There's another one over here. Fill in those grease caps with grease. Also, something else that you should not forget is that after 100 hours of running, after you run this machine for 100 hours, maybe you did 2 hours yesterday, 4 hours the other day, and all that, you should always remember to check the oil levels for both this particular pump, pressure head, and also for the machine side. That is something that many people usually forget to do. So you check the oil levels on this side, and you check also the oil levels on that particular side. So you should always remember to do that. Basically that's it. The operations of this machine is very easy. And guys, actually if you get to 100,000 likes, I'll show you how to do maintenance on this, like mechanical maintenance on it, maybe changing the plug, changing the air filters. I'll do that for you. So guys, make sure that you share the video and we get to 100,000 likes. Also, there'll be a coupon code up here that I'm going to leave, and you can get some discount when you purchase it on skype.co.ke. If you liked what we've done, if you'd liked the demonstrations that we've done for you, give it a thumbs up, and also maybe share this with the next farmer that you'll see, and tell them that we have a very good portable, easy to carry petrol power sprayer on skype.co.ke. And see you tomorrow with something else. Consider subscribing. See you.